Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving a backup so mistakes are reversible. Once done, open Word and press Ctrl+H to launch Find and Replace. This is where you act. Make sure to decide up front, do you want to remove every space between words or just collapse extras? For a simple removal, type a single space in Find and leave Replace blank. For broader white space, prepare to use the special codes I'll show next so you don't break formatting inadvertently. Now you perform targeted replacements so Word removes the correct characters. First, in Find type one space and replace Leave empty, then click Replace All. Repeat until no matches remain. Next, handle special characters. Use S to find non-breaking spaces and T to find tabs. Replace each with nothing if needed. Make sure to check the document headings and numbers after each pass because removing spaces can merge words or numbers unintentionally. Once the main passes are done, inspect common trouble spots. Finish by scanning the document for places where words or numbers merged incorrectly. Pay attention to headings, lists, and tables. If something looks wrong, immediately press Ctrl+Z or restore your backup. For large or repeated tasks, use a simple VBA macro that removes spaces programmatically so you can test on a copy first. If Replace seems to miss certain white space, rerun a pass with S and T. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.